Folinn H180 inverter, engineered for smart logistics sorting lines. Compact yet powerful, the Folinn H180 inverter integrates a customizable keypad, rapid acceleration deceleration, and support for both asynchronous and synchronous electric roller drives. Built to deliver high stability and easy commissioning, it reliably meets the demands of non-stop operation. We provide more than products. We deliver end-to-end solutions, from needs assessment to system integration. Backed by scaled production and a complete supply chain, Folinn ensures high device reliability, fast delivery, and responsive support to customers across 56 countries worldwide. Driven by expertise, focused on performance. With 3 decades in industrial drives, Folinn Electric combines deep technical expertise with agile manufacturing to deliver lasting, stable power for your systems, empowering your core operations with confidence.